Imagine having a pet that looks like it just walked out of the African savanna, yet curls up on your couch. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Serengeti and Savannah cats. The Savannah cat was first bred in the United States in April 1986 by Judy Frank, who crossed a serval wildcat with a Siamese. The resulting kitten was named Savannah, after Africa's savanna. Savannahs are known for their long legs and large ears, resembling their serval ancestors. They were bred to look like a wildcat, but remain domesticated. The Serengeti is another breed that looks similar to the savanna, with its exotic appearance and striking resemblance to its serval ancestors. However, it's a more recent development in domestic cat breeding. Both breeds are highly active and have an adventurous spirit. They love exploring their environment and can be quite vocal, often mimicking the sounds of their wild counterparts. Despite their wild appearance, both Serengeti and Savannah cats are domesticated. They require socialization and can be great pets for experienced cat owners who understand their unique needs. Serengeti and Savannah cats are a fascinating blend of wild elegance and domestic charm. Their striking appearance makes them stand out among other breeds. So there you have it, the captivating world of Serengeti and Savannah cats. Which breed do you think would be a better fit for your home? Let us know in the comments.